Hey guys, today I want to show you how easy it is to submit things on SkillPies, share your work, get some feedback on it, and just have general fun in this community of amazing creators that we are creating. All right, so for this purpose, we've created this discussion functionality here in SkillPies where you can ask questions in different categories, and sooner or later somebody, whether it's your tutor, teacher, or colleague, can give you the answer. But today, what I want to show you is how to submit your assignments and assessments. If there is a submission required, usually you find the submission interface below your assignment. Here you can find instructions such as asking you to submit the monkey assignment below. The submission must include 2 images with rendered monkey from different angles or 1 zip with source files. If your work hasn't been submitted, the submission interface has this red dashed border. Inside you'll see a category and title that cannot be usually modified and a list of preset labels. Furthermore, in the description, we usually provide you with instruction what we require from you. In this case, there's a description. Okay, this is my cool monkey. In learning, what is the most difficult thing and how you solved it? I learned how to make glass bubbles using refractive materials. Here is the tutorial I used, and then probably just we can put some link in here. Eh? Sketchfab. All right. So what is Sketchfab? Let's take a look. Sketchfab is a service for creators and 3D designers where they can share their work. Usually, what happens is you upload the file, and then using this online interface, you can already explore it. You can even earn money on it and just have fun with that. So let's click on upload and see what is needed. Okay, so it wants us FBX, OBJ, DAE, Blend, and STL. All right, so we can directly submit Blender files, but try it. I haven't had much success with it. Usually the models were kind of broken. In general, FBX is the best interchange format, and it will also work for your Unity, for your Unreal, whatever. So let's just go with FBX, okay? But how do we produce such an FBX? Well, luckily in Blender, there is a functionality to export directly to FBX, right? One thing you want to do, and this is preset by default path mode to auto, please set it to copy and make sure that this button here is selected as blue. What this does is it allows you to copy all the materials and presets and everything that is related to your model into this FBX file. This will avoid many different problems in the future. So let's just export FBX. Let's name it Monkey FBX. I'm happy with that and click export. Fantastic. So let's go back to Sketchfab. Let's click on browse and select our new created Monkey FBX file. Click on upload. And while it's uploading, we can just create some description. My first model, be kind. Okay. After it uploads, the system automatically processes the file. You can preview it here. And think that this is a browser, right? So we are actually watching our model directly in the browser. All right, so I'm happy with it, how it looks. Of course, this light is making kind of strange shadows, but we don't care about it right now. Okay, so let's click on save and publish. And there we go. There's our model. And once we finish that, we can click on this button, View My Model, which takes me to the page with my model. All I want for now is to copy the URL of this model, right? So Sketchfab 3D models and my monkey model. Going back to my my submission page, all I need to do is delete this, and we've created this nifty little widget for you. So if you click on Insert Media and you just paste this URL, it inserts the whole Sketchfab directly for you. All right. So let's hit create. Oops, we are still missing some attachments. Okay, so it's telling us to upload 2 images and 1 zip source file. So let's just go ahead and do that. So let's click on add attachment, and up here, let's go first and do the renders. So let's have first attachment and then second attachment. Let's hit create. What happens? I still missed the zip source files, but I didn't zip my project. So in this case, let's just zip it, compress, and that's it. The zip is ready. Going back here, add attachment, and then going up the level, monkey zip. And we are ready to create. Boom, discussion created and submitted. And as you see, my interface changed from red dashed line to green, so all is good. And here is a preview of my post, right? And now I'm waiting for people to comment on it. You can upvote it, why not upvote your own post and even throw a couple smileys there. You can also preview your discussion going to discussions. And there we go, there's our post. All right, creators, go have fun.